Alright, here is how a w124 Mercedes chassis, how the trunk latch goes back in. I've already put the rubber grommet back in. This just slides in. Make sure you get it in that little hole. Doesn't really need to be, but it makes things easier. I'm going to wind that up. Pop the lock rod in. Then we're going to wind this up, the latch mechanism, on these 3 pins. And it really doesn't matter how you position this. Collapse it all the way in to make it easier to put in. Make sure your grommet's still in. And then I like to put top bolts in just to locate it. We're probably going to tighten those up first. I'm going to lift that up. And then we can pop the bottom half down. And then line everything up, because we were sloppy about that. So you can get this latch out of here without taking it apart, but it's kind of a nightmare. If things are stiff, see if you can move it while it's in there. By the way, this trim piece that goes around the edge here pops underneath this wedge here. So if you're having trouble taking that apart, take the 6 clips out down here, or just release them. Pull the whole works back this way, and then you should be able to slide the trim piece to the rear of the car and work that edge off. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody.